Welcome back to CryptoFi, everyone. And Bitcoin just lost its key support. Let's discuss and see what's going on in the markets, right? So we had a lot of FUD coming in lately, especially with the tweet of Brian Armstrong saying security exchanges in the U.S. are going to prohibit Americans for staking, which is a bit silly if you think, especially for the people for the Ethereum community. All of those people that have their Ether staked, how are they going to unstake it if we still haven't had the upgrade in the blockchain for them to be able to unstake it? So the discussion that they're having is a little bit archaic, in my opinion. And then shortly after that, Kraken actually agreed to shutter U.S. crypto staking operations to settle security exchange commission charges. So the SEC did confirm Kraken would shut down its staking services for the U.S. customers. It did coincide with, Bitcoin did rally, like 40% from the bottom. So it was a little bit overdue anyways for a correction. I did expect it to push a little bit higher, maybe to $25,000. So we would take out these local highs, at least to try to make a higher high. We didn't make it, and we lost key support. But we are still trending on this macro line all the way from November down here, and we're gonna retest it. So this is organic. This is good and organic, and it'd be strong for, not strong, what's the right word? It'd be sustainable for the price to come back here, retest this region as support. I'm looking at around $20,000. There's a lot of price action that happened here before, right? So you got a lot of zigzag, break this area, rejection, confirm as support, then another consolidation level. So there's a lot of demand here for $20,000. So I think there's a real chance that we can continue this down move to $20,000. Retest it as support. We go down to this green box, which is where market usually wants to go reach for liquidity. You see here on the volume indicator, there's a bit of I call this an air gap, right? So there's no liquidity. Nobody's really interested in trading Bitcoin on these levels, and you have this liquidity here. There shows a lot of trading volume around the 20,000, which is this green box that I showed. So there is confluence for us to come here, retest this area, capture this liquidity, so we can continue moving to the upside. I'm still bullish for the midterm. I'd say until I say midterm because this is short time frame. Midterm, a long term would be like over a year or so. But I am bullish for the first semester, let's say. Okay, that's where my bigger targets are. So looking at the 1 day chart, let's get rid of that. If you did follow our previous videos, I've been talking about this indicator that we're building, right? So I think it's pretty much, we finished it and we're going to release it to the public soon, which is CryptoFi Indicator. It uses a series of algorithms and moving averages, and it'll give you suggestions of when the market's maybe too hot or cold, good entries, or to take profits in the according to the price action, right? So it did give us a reading of a strong sell signal on the daily, and that was a few days ago, which was actually ranging at around $23,000. It did give us that signal. If you did take profits around here, good on you, and which also gives us confluence that it was time for a pullback and for us to retest this level so we can continue up to the upside. Okay, so that's all I wanted to talk to you guys about. I'm not too paranoid about this move. It's sort of expected. There is a lot of FUD going on with the SEC, but I don't think there's reason to panic yet. If we do lose this bounce, if we lose this resistance, support level at $20,000, then I might get a little bit more concerned because it means we're back below the trend line and there's not a whole lot of liquidity all the way to, $17,000 is when you're going to start getting some liquidity back in the market. So this is very important for us to hold. I do think we're going to hold it. We're overdue for a bigger rally, but you just got to keep following the charts and navigating the market using your indicators and support lines so you can try to predict the market. But obviously, nobody can really predict the market. Nobody has a crystal ball. So that's it for today. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what I've been following. Hope you guys stay safe and good trading. All right. See you next time.